everybody, let's do a little bit of addition with some cookies. Now I'm going to put 4 cookies here. Count with me please. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Now for the number 4, for these 4 cookies, I'm going to represent it with the number 4. Here we go. And on this side, I'm going to put 2 cookies. Count with me please. 1, 2. And I'm going to represent 2 cookies with the number 2. Excellent. Now, let's count all the cookies up. But before that, we're going to use a sign. And we're going to use the plus sign. This is a plus sign. Plus means to count them all up. Okay, so let's do it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. 4 plus 2 equals, where is the equals? There it is. Equals to 6. Excellent. Now, equals just tells us that these 2 numbers added together is the same as 6. Now we can also do that on a piece of paper. So if you look at your paper here, we have 4 plus 2 equals. Now, I've put 4 cookies here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 2 cookies, 1, 2, equals to how many altogether? Let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you want to get out your marker and just right here, you want to write 6. Okay everyone, now on the table you can see there are 2 groups of cookies. On this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to get out my number 7 and put it right here. And on this side we have 1, 2, 3. So let's get out our number 3 and put it right here. Now let's put our plus sign out. 7 plus 3 equals to how many altogether? Shall we count together? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. So now where's our number 10? There it is. 10. Very good. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now that can also be done on a piece of paper like this. So what you want to do is write 7 plus 3 equals. And right at the bottom of 7, I've got 7 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right at the bottom of 3, I have 3 cookies. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to count them all up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So take out your marker. 7 plus 3 equals 10.